Hi there, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video for demonstration of fifth exercise in our Unix lab. The exercise is to perform and practice file operations in Unix shell. So the main operations that we will be performing are grep, cut, last, who, and creating or deleting a file, such things like that. Grep is a command that is used to search for a string or a substring inside a file or a folder. Cut is a command used to cut a line in multiple fields depending on what delimiter you are giving. Otherwise, it will cut it based on the tabs. Last gives us the list of all the last logins into the system. Who gives us the list of all the people who are currently logged in into the system along with us. So starting from the first one, first question is to find the frequency of occurrences of alphabet C in the contents of the given file name. So here we will be using grep command. So here what we have done is grep minus o hyphen I, and then we give the substring that we will be searching for. Here the file name, word count, and minus n. We don't have to print it. If we just want to print the number of occurrences, then we will not be giving pipeline symbol wc space hyphen n. So we okay, and minus I is case sensitive. Hyphen I is case sensitive. Hyphen o is that it will be searching and displaying only C as a string or a substring, not the entire line in which C has occurred. And using word count, we'll get the answer inside this variable C, and here we print the variable C. So if we search occurrences of C in count.sh, totally 11 times C has occurred. Next question is, if we enter a person's UID, then we have to tell how many times that person has logged on. So here what we will be using is grep command and last command. So from last we will get how many people have logged in into the system in the last 1 month. So it gets reset on the first date of every single month. So what we do is we take the output, put it in a temp.txt file. We search temp.txt file for UID, and every time the UID matches any of the entries, then we count it. At the end, we remove the temp file and we print the number of occurrences. So if you are searching for UID UR14CS01, 143 times the person has logged in. Next question is to take UID as an argument and print the person's name, home directory, shell, and group number. This we will get from etc password /etc/ password file, and then we have to print out name of the groups corresponding to the group numbers. We will get this information from /etc/group. So what we will be doing is, first of all, we display all the possible users that we can search for from /etc/password file. For that, we have to cut the file based on the delimiters colon, and we have to print the very first field. And for displaying, we use the cat command. Cat is actually used for concatenation inside a file, and we can use cat command for displaying also. So then we print the list of all the users. We have to give any one of those users. Based on that, we search /etc/password file for that user. Cut the file into different fields using colon delimiter. Fifth field will give us the name of the user. Sixth field gives us the home directory, the username which it will be using. Like in my system, if I have set my username as Junaid, which is my name, so my name will be Junaid, my home directory will be Junaid. Then I can change the some of the characters to make it different. Then user ID is what we have just entered, that will again be printed. Then what we will be doing is we will be getting the group ID into the fourth field. We are putting it inside a variable. We print the group ID, and then we will use this variable entry to search for the group names from /etc/group file. So in output, here are all the possible users. We have entered the user ID as root. So name we will be getting as root operator, home directory slash root, user ID 0 and 11, group ID 0 and 0, group name is only root. Then next question is to write a shell script to check whether a particular user is using the system or not. If using, print sudo terminal number and IP address. For this we can use both last and who, because if the user is logged on in last, the place where it tells for how long the user was using the system or how long the user was logged on changes as user still logged in. Otherwise we can use who. For this one I have used last. So after getting the ID from the last, I take the ID detail into temp.txt file. Then I will be doing the grep delimiter. Grep I will be searching for only the spaces, because that is the delimiter that I have used to cut it. For only once, the file should occur only once, because the first entry will be showing whether I'm still logged in or not. Second field will give me my pseudo terminal code. Eighth field will give me my IP address. At the end, I remove the temp.txt file. Last one is to print the number of occurrences for the given word within /etc/password file. So we take the word as input from the user. The similar thing that we used in the first question, we search the word as -o using grep -o-i and wc -l. -l. So that's how we get the total number of occurrences, that this many times this word has occurred in the file /etc/password. So using all these file operation commands, the exercise is successfully completed. Thank you.